In regulated or industrial manufacturing, every batch matters. But paper records, spreadsheets, and disconnected or legacy systems introduce errors, delays, and risk. One misstep can mean deviations, delayed releases, or worse. Meet BatchQuest, ComplianceQuest's electronic batch record solution, purpose-built for regulated manufacturing. BatchQuest replaces paper with intelligent, guided digital workflows, ensuring every batch is executed, documented, reviewed, and released the right way. For operators, BatchQuest makes every step clear and simple. Guided work instructions ensure you're always using the right version. Built-in checks catch errors as they happen, not after the batch is complete. For supervisors, BatchQuest delivers real-time visibility across the floor. You know exactly which batches are running, where exceptions occur, and whether operators and equipment are qualified before work begins. For QA, BatchQuest transforms batch review. Instead of reading and checking every page, review by exception flags only what matters. Complete, audit-ready EBRs are automatically compiled, accelerating release without sacrificing rigor. For operational and quality leaders, BatchQuest delivers confidence and control. Every batch is traceable from specification to release. You reduce deviations, shorten cycle times, and stay audit-ready always. BatchQuest isn't just an EBR. It's part of ComplianceQuest's connected digital platform, linking production, engineering, quality, supply chain, and compliance in one system. BatchQuest, right first-time manufacturing, built for every role on the production floor.